Welcome to our factory. In Sebring, Florida, we produce nearly 100 different colors of our beautiful agglomerate. We use a variety of different raw materials to make them. Quartz, recycled glass, quartzite, marbles, porcelains, all different raw materials which are delivered to us by truck and held in outdoor storage bins. The raw materials are too large at this moment to use, so we have to move them inside. So off they go inside to prepare them to crush down to a usable size. Fed by conveyor belt, they then head off to our grinder, where they'll be crushed down into 7 different aggregate sizes based on the recipe. Now that they're the right size, it's time to mix. Our highly advanced automated system takes those raw materials and then mixes them with a polyester resin, which once mixed gets fed into a large tray. A combination of vibration and trowels then smooth everything out. Then it's off to the kiln, where 30 slabs at a time slowly bake to perfection. Now that everything's baked, we move on to the calibration to ensure that every piece is exactly 1/4 of an inch thick. Now that calibration is confirmed, we move on to polishing, where it runs through 52 diamond polishing heads to ensure it has a beautiful sheen. Now that polishing is complete, it can move on to selection. This is where we ensure that only perfect slabs leave our factory. So what next? What do you do with these beautiful slabs of agglomerate? Well, now you get to see. After a detailed templating process and some shop fabrication, it's time to install. Using a 2-part epoxy, you can either install over existing countertops or add new countertops. The end result is always the same though. A beautiful heat-resistant, scratch-resistant, impact-resistant, sealed for life material. A material perfect for any kitchen, vanity, shower wall, fireplace, or floor in your home.